fire smoke has been affecting us for much of this week, but it did get a little bit better today.
Yeah, so we were at the high end of the scale, 9, 10 plus yesterday in Calgary and many areas in southern Alberta. For today, it's still a little smoky at times, but we're on the moderate part of the scale, so ranging between a 4 and a 5 today. So this rain has certainly helped clean the air a little bit. And the wind direction has started to shift as well, and that will continually happen, knocking out a little more of this smoke to give us a less smoky day tomorrow as well. Here's your Capital Chev sky cam. Now, this comes with cooler temperatures. This is a big low, and it's been dropping on and off rain for Calgary and southern Alberta. It's also cooled down the temperatures, so we're all well below normal in southern and central Alberta and even parts of northern Alberta as well. Right now in Calgary, we're at 17 degrees. We've been in the teens all day today. Banff is just at 14 right now. It's mainly cloudy in most areas. It's a gloomy day, but we need the rain. It's kind of nice to have a gloomy day sometimes. 16 is the current temperature in Lethbridge, but still in the 20s, Brooks and Medicine Hat. Brooks and Medicine Hat, basically areas off to the east, just catching the edge of this as we go here. All right, let me show you where we have the potential for some severe weather. And actually, now that we look at this, this has just been dropped. So in my time walking over here to the green screen. All right, severe thunderstorm watch has been dropped. It was in place for areas to the east of Red Deer because of these cells, but none of these cells have been able to gain enough steam to reach the more severe criteria. These are thunderstorms. They are coming with lightning and some downpours, but they're not coming with larger size hail or there's stronger wind gusts that would upgrade it to a severe level. So yes, thunderstorms tracking towards the north here. These are the waves from this system, as you can see here, and some have passed through the Lethbridge area, tracking towards the Medicine Hat area, and you can see also around that Pincher Creek area. For us here in Calgary, we're getting just rainfall right now. We do have the potential of on and off rain even through the overnight hours, and even some embedded non-severe thunderstorms. Smoke and air quality. This is what's been happening. This system has been knocking that smoke back up to the north. We will have smoky waves, so if you check out the timeline here, Sunday morning, it may get a little smoky once again, and then that will move back out. So expect waves of smoke here and there, but overall the air quality should be pretty good, and we should be at the lower end of the moderate part of the scale, so around 4 for this weekend for the most part. Looking at that future cast, you can see these waves possible up until about 8:30. Then it starts to make its way out. However, in Calgary, we still have the potential of isolated showers even through those overnight hours, but this does clear out early tomorrow morning. There will be some cloudy periods tomorrow morning, and even the small chance of a late day shower tomorrow, but overall a really nice day tomorrow. Some sunshine, some cloudy periods, 23, so we get right to bang on normal temperatures, mid-20s for Sunday and Monday.
Let's check in with Danielle. The whole weekend isn't going to look like this though.
You're right, Tara. For tonight, rainy, cool, less smoky than yesterday, which is some good news. So this system that is bringing us the rain's helping clear out a bit of that smoke, and the wind direction is helping this as well. So we're looking at staying around that moderate level. That's where we are right now on that air quality health index for much of the weekend. 17 degrees is the temperature. Our high was only 19 today. So yes, below normal temperatures. We did have some rain here and there in the city. We have some rain in parts of the city right now, and that's the story even through the overnight hours. For tomorrow, though, just some cloudy periods at times, air quality health index at a 4, and a very small chance of a late day shower with temperatures bang on normal at 23. Your full weekend forecast is just ahead, Tara.
Thank you, Danielle. Let's get back to Danielle now. It wasn't super hot today, but we'll get back there.
Yeah, we'll get back there. We'll get back right where we should be by tomorrow. So yes, this is a cool, rainy, gloomy day, but sometimes it's kind of nice to have these days. Temperatures just in the teens for many communities. Calgary included. Our high was 19, but that was at midnight. And then we've been around 17, 18 over these past couple of hours. Banff just at 14 right now. Brooks and Medicine Hat, though, still holding on to some warmer temperatures in those 20s. In fact, Medicine Hat in those mid-20s. So one of the hot spots in the province. Okay, radar, satellite, couple thunderstorms going on. You can see this pocket of thunderstorms that's headed really to the north of the Red Deer area. You can also see what's going down to the south end. For us here in Calgary, we've mainly just been dealing with some rain, but there is the potential of a non-severe thunderstorm in Calgary through the evening hours. Overnight, just looking at some isolated pockets of showers in Calgary. These cells some of them, one of them just to the north of Champion right now, producing some smaller size hail. These are all non-severe thunderstorms though, so smaller size hail, but this cell is starting to die out as it tracks likely just to the east of Vulcan. This does come with lightning, this does come with downpours, and you can see the cells headed towards the Medicine Hat area and Brooks. Again, non-severe. We are looking at some rainfall, and this will be waves of showers and thunderstorms that's possible really through tonight, clearing out tomorrow. I'll give you the timeline on that in just a second, but air quality. We were at the top of the scale yesterday in Calgary, 10 plus. Not a good scale to be at the top of. That's very, very, very poor air quality, the poorest. Today we've been between a 4 and a 5, and that's thanks to some of the rain falling, which helped clean out the skies, but also with this system moving in, it's knocking that smoke up and away from us. Now, keep in mind, we will still have waves at times, so this is showing Sunday morning of some smokier conditions, but overall we should remain between a 4 and a 5 for much of the weekend. So good air quality for us here in Calgary and the south end of the province for the weekend. When you look at the future cast, yes, we're looking at these waves of showers and thunderstorms possible even in through the overnights. This is at 2 o'clock in the morning. So still that possibility, but this does clear out after 6 o'clock in the morning. The rain should be out. We'll still hold on to a bit of cloud cover, but we're looking at some sunshine tomorrow, some cloudy periods. Now later in the day, we have a small chance of seeing a pop-up shower, but just a 30% chance of that in Calgary. Capital Chev 5-day forecast, 23 degrees for tomorrow. That's right where we should be. Again, some sun, some cloud. And then by Sunday, we're looking at those mid-20s, and we'll even warm up Tuesday of next week, looking at those high 20s. Capital Chev Sky Watch camera. Yeah, we have a little haze out there. We certainly have some rain out there. So it's a gloomy, cooler, rainy day in many communities outside of Calgary, some thunderstorms going on as well, and then things shape up for the weekend. We're looking at sunny periods for the weekend, and our air quality health index remaining at a moderate level for much of the weekend. Okay, temperatures. Yes, it is cooler. Sometimes it's nice to have a bit of a cool day, cool, gloomy day. 19 degrees was our high in Calgary, but that was actually early in the morning, around midnight, and then we've been hovering between 15 and 17 for much of the day today. As you can see, warmer off to the east of us. Regina got to a high of 25, Saskatoon 26, and Ottawa got to 30. You can see also warm in Atlantic Canada, 27 in Fredericton, 24 in Halifax, 23 in St. John's. Now, of course, they're looking at their own issues late weekend and into Monday. Category 2 Hurricane Ernesto tracking through, still in U.S. waters, should make its way into Canadian waters by Monday morning, if not Sunday, later on Sunday. It may impact the shores of Nova Scotia on the weekend, and then eastern Newfoundland should get some impact from this. Hard to tell if it's going to be a Category 1 hurricane at that point. Likely it will die out to a tropical storm. But of course, we're keeping our eye on that. For us here, thunderstorms, non-severe thunderstorms, and you can see this line of thunderstorms, so tracking towards the Medicine Hat area and along the Trans-Canada towards Brooks as well, and Vulcan, Champion dealing with some of these cells as well. Again, non-severe, but a good amount of lightning and a decent downpour quickly rolling through with these. Check out temperatures for tomorrow. Kelowna 30 degrees, Kamloops 31, Edmonton 22. Showers, this system tracking up to the north, so clearing out here for us. Calgary looking at a good amount of cloud cover for tomorrow and a lot of the south end. However, some sunny periods as well. Lots of sunshine for Lethbridge, high 20s, Medicine Hat, high 20s as well. Capital Chev 10-day trend showing tomorrow bang on normal at 23, and then mid-20s for Sunday and Monday, our hottest day of the next 10. Tuesday in the high 20s. Don't miss the Hospital Home Lottery VIP deadline.